In the frozen silence of the Arctic tundra, where the winds never rest and the horizon stretches beyond imagination, there walks a leader, a reindeer unlike any other. He doesn't rule through dominance, but through wisdom, endurance, and trust. This is the story of the reindeer who led the herd, a tale of survival, leadership, and legacy in one of Earth's harshest frontiers. I'm Venant, and you're watching Untamed Narratives. Stay with us till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cinematic wildlife stories from around the world. The reindeer, known scientifically as Rangifer tarandus, is a species of deer native to the Arctic, subarctic, and tundra regions of the Northern Hemisphere. In North America, they're called caribou, but across Scandinavia and Siberia, they're revered as the reindeer. Their world is a land of extremes, 24-hour daylight in summer, endless night in winter. Yet through evolution, reindeer have mastered both. Their hollow fur traps air for insulation. Their wide hooves act as snowshoes and paddles. Every feature is designed for one purpose: endurance. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, a rare trait among deer. These antlers are not just for defense or display. They're tools for digging through snow to find hidden lichen, their main food in winter. Their eyes change color with the seasons, golden in summer, deep blue in winter, helping them adapt to shifting light levels. It's a natural lens adjustment nature, perfected over millennia. Reindeer are travelers. Their migrations can cover over 3,000 miles a year, the longest of any land mammal. Their survival depends on unity, and every herd has its leader, not always the strongest, but the most experienced. Our story follows an old bull named Arik, once an underdog, who rose through trust and courage. When wolves attacked, he stood between the herd and danger. When storms struck, he guided them toward shelter. And so, leadership was earned, not taken. In the Arctic, leadership isn't about dominance. It's about survival through wisdom. Reindeer are herbivores with a secret weapon, a keen sense of smell that detects lichen buried under half a meter of snow. In summer, they graze on grasses, leaves, and herbs, but in the harsh polar winter, lichen becomes their lifeline, rich in carbohydrates and sustaining them through months of scarcity. Their metabolism slows, conserving energy. Every step, every decision is calculated for endurance. In spring, after the snow begins to melt, the females give birth to calves, usually one per year. These young must stand and walk within an hour of birth, or risk being left behind. By summer, the herds fatten up again, preparing for migration. Arik, now older, ensures the calves find the safest paths. His wisdom becomes the herd's inheritance. But the Arctic is changing. Climate shifts are melting ice earlier, altering migration routes, and making food harder to find. Human expansion and industrial exploration fragment their habitat. Across Scandinavia and Siberia, conservation groups now track herds, regulate hunting, and protect lichen-rich pastures, ensuring that the next generation of leaders can still guide the herd. Did you know that reindeer are the only deer species that can see ultraviolet light? It helps them detect predators and even sense subtle patterns in snow invisible to the human eye. Their story reminds us strength lies not in speed or size, but in guidance, unity, and endurance. I'm Venant, and this was the reindeer who led the herd. If this story moved you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments which animal you'd love to explore next. Until next time, stay curious, stay wild.